units of time. So in maths, we may need to convert our units of time, and here we're going to look at how we can do that. So let's write some units of time out. We've got years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Now, we know there's 60 seconds in a minute, there's 60 minutes in an hour, there's 24 hours in a day, there's 7 days in a week. Now, there is no relationship between weeks and months. A lot of people say that there's 4 weeks in a month, but that's not true, because if we know there's 7 days in a week, and 7 times 4 gives us 28, and the only month with 28 days is February. But there are 52 weeks in a year, and there is 365 days in a year, or 366 if it's a leap year. And there are 12 months in a year. Now, to convert between them, if I want to go this way, I need to divide by those numbers, and if I go this way, I need to times by those numbers. You can also think about it, if we're going from a small thing to a big thing, we need to divide. So you can think small to big, we're going left, we need to divide. Or if we're going from big to small, we need a times. If we're going this way from big to small, we're going this way, we need a times. Let's look at some examples. So if I want to go from hours to minutes, what do I need to do? Well, I'm going from here to here. If I'm going this way, I need a times, and I need a times by 60. So if you're going from hours to minutes, you need a times by 60. What if I want to go from days to seconds? I want to go all the way from here to here. And because I'm going from big to small, I need a times. And I need a times by every one of these numbers to get from here to here. So I'm going to have to times by 24 first, then 60, then 60 again. What about months to years? Months to years, that's a small to big, and we're going left, so we need to divide. We need to divide by 12. So months to years, going to divide by 12. And just a few examples of what you can do with your units of time. But let's look at one specific one. How can we change 24 months into seconds? How many seconds is in 24 months? Well, to go from months to seconds, remember, that doesn't exist, that line. So I need to go this way first to years, and then years to days, then days to hours, then hours to minutes, then minutes to seconds. So my first step is to go from months to years. And because I'm moving left, I need to divide by 12. So let's do that first. So we divide by 12, and that's going to be 2 years. So that gets us to years. Now for the rest of them, we're going this way. which means we need a times. So then I'm going to times it by 365 to get us to days. So 2 times 365 is going to give us 730 days in 2 years. Then I'm going to times by 24 to work out how many hours are in those days. That's going to give us 17,520 hours. Then to go from hours to minutes, I'm going to times by 60, which is going to give 1,051,200 minutes. And finally, we're going to times by 60 again to get us to seconds, which is going to be 63,072,000 seconds in 24 months.